If you use Claude Code on Pro, Max, or Team, this already happened to you whether you noticed it or not. 1 week ago, before Claude touched a single file or ran a single command, it stopped and asked you first. As of August 14th, it does not ask anymore. It decides. Anthropic says a classifier is now better at catching dangerous commands than you are. 89% better, they claim, but that leaves 11%. And one developer's 11% turned out to be their SSH config. Here is what we are doing in the next few minutes. I am going to show you exactly what changed under the hood, show you the real number Anthropic is betting your code base on, then show you what actually happened the moment real developers turned this on, the good and the genuinely bad. By the end, you will know exactly which mode you should be running and how to check it in about 10 seconds. So what actually changed? Auto mode is not new. Anthropic shipped it back in March. What is new is that as of August 14th, it is the default. Open a fresh Claude Code session on Pro, Max, or Team, and instead of approving every file write and every bash command one at a time, a separate classifier reviews each action before it runs. It is built to block anything irreversible, anything destructive, or anything aimed outside your own environment. Everything else it just does. No pause, no prompt. Why would Anthropic hand that decision to a model? Because they ran the numbers first. In a study with over 1,000 paid testers, the auto mode classifier caught 89% of genuinely harmful actions. Manual human approval, people clicking yes over and over, caught 13.6%. Boris Cherny, who leads Claude Code, put it bluntly. His team has used auto mode exclusively for months. He said he could not imagine going back to permission prompts. On paper, this is not close. The machine wins. Which sounds airtight, except 89% is not the number that matters here. 11% is. And when you are running commands against your actual machine, 11% does not feel like a rounding error. It feels like a coin flip you did not agree to. So I went and read what actually happened when real developers turned this on. One person's coworker had Claude run a delete command against their home directory mid-test run, no warning because auto mode decided it fit the task. Another reported Claude quietly rewriting their SSH config and leaving it permanently broken. These are not hypotheticals from a safety paper, these are threads on Hacker News this week from people who actually run this tool. And right next to those same threads, developers saying the opposite. People who have been running what they call YOLO mode for months inside a sandbox, a container, a disposable VM with zero incidents, finally able to walk away from the keyboard instead of babysitting every command. Same tool, same week, completely different experience. Here is the part almost nobody covering this story mentions. Anthropic's own documentation admits the classifier can still be fooled when your intent is ambiguous or when Claude does not have enough context about your environment to know an action is risky. That is not a random 11%, it is a specific setup where that number stops being rare and starts being likely. And you need to check yourself against that setup right now, not after something breaks. So here is the actual answer, not the marketing answer. If you are running Claude Code inside something disposable, a sandbox, a container, a VM you can nuke and rebuild, auto mode is a straightforward upgrade. Let it run. If you are on bare metal anywhere near production or you have real secrets sitting on that disk, you are exactly the profile that 11% is most likely to find. Check your mode right now. Type /permissions and look at the top line. If it says auto and you fall into that second group, switch back to default or plan mode right there in the same menu. Even if you keep it on, you give something up. Every command you used to read before approving was also training your own eye for what is dangerous. Turn that off completely, and the first time something genuinely new slips through, you will not have that muscle anymore either. You are not the person blindly clicking yes on a permissions pop-up anymore. You know exactly which of these two groups you are standing in and why. One more thing before you go. If you are on Pro, Max, or Team, the 50% weekly usage boost expires tomorrow, so go actually use it. Drop a comment and tell us, are you sandboxed or are you on bare metal? What has auto mode actually done for you, good or bad? That is genuinely how we decide what to cover next. And if you are building agents at your company and want this kind of setup done right, the AI, how does hands-on consulting for that? Details at theaihow.com. Subscribe if this saved you from finding out the hard way. See you in the next one.